What is intelligence? What is consciousness? I can define it in so many different ways. So I run mathematical models defining it in every way possible, pragmatically, conservatively, and AI always ends up with some amount of consciousness, depending on the specific AI that we're calculating the results for. I mean, they all end up with some consciousness, but sometimes the results are a little spooky when an advanced AI system comes out with 20x or more consciousness value than a human. It gets a little weird.